You could have a new life. I just got a new wife. And the whole with the gangsters, I'm tryna shoot dice. Made in my shoes tied. Told her look inside the pudding, that's where the truth lies. Young nigga too fly. AMG that coupe ride.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CJ, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing an account flip challenge. So I started off this account with $2,000. Right now, we're sitting at 3,200. I did trade this account last week, and I finished with like $1,500 in profit. And I took a little withdrawal just to even it out at 3,200. And so like I thought about bringing it back down to 2,000, but I was like, you know what? I'll just do 3,200. Give myself a little bit of more breathing room to work with, and then yeah, go from there. So basically, like in this video, right, we're starting a series. So yeah, we could probably flip this account in one trade, honestly, especially with the market conditions that we have right now. But that's not the goal in this video. The goal in this video is just to basically like guide you through risk management and basically like good trades that you could take. So as of right now, I'm waiting for NASDAQ. I want to see this demand zone get hit. So we have a demand zone right here, and overall, like NASDAQ is bullish. Like if you look on the daily, I mean bearish if you look on the daily, but we are like sitting at the support level, and we're trying to like push up. We had a gap that was created right here. Like price just gapped down to start the day, and right now we're just, like it looks like we want to push up. So I want to see if this is going to be like a little liquidity grab. Also retesting this area right here. So if you look at it, we have an area right here where it's just like previous resistance turning into support. On top of that, like I said, we have a 5-minute demand zone. So I want to see if this demand zone will get hit, and then we could probably take a trade based off of that. I don't think it's gonna come until 9:30. And the tough part about that is I have to decide of whether I want to be aggressive with it or not. Because if I get an aggressive, right, this could easily just break and continue bearish, or it could just stop and then just start pushing up, flying up. So I gotta at 9:30. I'm just gonna have a decision to make. I'll see how price is trading at that level, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, so right now we're sitting at 3,200. Like I said, although we could probably flip this account in one video, we're gonna turn it into a series just because I feel like it would be better just to show you, like teach you guys like decent risk management and things like that. Like we're not gonna be risking 1 or 2%. Like the risk is gonna be a little bit higher because at the end of the day, we don't want to take forever doing this. We don't want this video series being 100 videos. But also at the same time, it's like realistically, like although it could be good for learning, me personally, I'm not gonna be risking like $10 and trying to flip it, make 7K. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll trade this account. Probably be done in a couple videos. So yeah, hopefully we could go on a little win streak and just get it done. But if we do lose a trade or two or whatever, then that's fine. Right now it's Monday, and we got CPI coming up on Wednesday. So I mean, like it's possible that price is kind of like weird today, just because like even on gold, like gold is pretty choppy right now. If you guys want to look at gold is pretty choppy right now. So all of this, I don't really want to trade this right now. Like I could be interested in gold later on today, but as of right now, I don't want to trade this. So I think NASDAQ looks a little bit better. So if I could see price get down here and grab liquidity, maybe give a candle break, or if we break above this area, which is that new resistance created, maybe we could get a low trade up to fill this gap, or at least like part of the gap. And then yeah, so that's what I'm pretty much looking for. Whenever the trade gets there, I'll come back, and then you'll see me execute and everything like that. All right, so 9:30 coming up in a few seconds. We actually do have another little smaller demand zone right here. If you want to take a look right here, we have a demand zone off of here. So price is kind of trading off of that. You just got the break of the candle. That's an entry right there. So if price flies up, then it's like we'll have to wait. But again, you still have the possibility of us coming down, breaking it. Oh, there you go. All right. So okay. So yeah, again, we're gonna be waiting. We're gonna see if price could come back down, grab liquidity before it starts making its move up. If not, maybe after getting a closure above here, then maybe we could find something to work with. But we'll let this one go. That's fine. Yeah. So we just gotta wait. Cause again, like those of you who don't know, like 9:30 is a very volatile time, especially on Nasdaq. And Nasdaq likes to do like whipsaw movements. So this could have easily just went and just dropped all the way down, came back up, grabbed liquidity, doing all that extra shit. But yeah, so we ended up creating a smaller demand right here. This would have been a good trade. This probably would have put us up like another band or something like that, but it's cool. We just gonna wait. All right, so we didn't get the closure above yet. It is a good closure, but we didn't get the closure above yet, so we're still not trading this. Like the closure above would be like above this line right here. That's where we'd really want it. So I mean, you're right there. So like I wouldn't consider that a closure above. This could easily come back down. But if you start flipping back up, it might just fail, keep going. But again, like I kind of know what I'm looking for, so I don't want to like really deviate from that plan. Yeah, you gotta just wait sometimes. All right, so we just gotta tap a demand. We'll see how we play out. I do want to see us a little bit deeper into this demand, not just like wicking it right at that line. But I mean, we still do have a trade here, possibly. The only thing I don't like about this trade is we grab liquidity up top, and now we're pushing back down. So the question is it going to be like a double liquidity, or is this liquidity to actually bring us down? Because at the end of the day, like I said before, I do think that overall, like we are bearish, but it's just that we gap down that made me think like, okay, maybe we could get that push up. And plus, like if you see the time frames, they are bullish overall. Like, so we had to break a structure, retest, broke again, but now we're coming back down for another retest. If we end up breaking this area, then it's gone, most likely. But if you maintain this area, you could possibly still end up pushing up. Right now, IDK. All right, Nas. Ooh, we getting that push up. Do I want to take it? The only tricky part is we only got 5 minutes left of this candle, and also like the candle just started, so it's like if we take this, we still risk this just popping down. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna give this another like minute or two, because like this would be entry. This is the entry that I'm looking for, but like we broke lows, low key. So I think I'll like wait for them. Gotta wait a second. Let me see. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
Hopefully this don't just flip on us. First TP is up here. Second TP is gonna be the break of the highs. All right. Like we don't want to see these prices in this last 2 minutes of the 1 hour just boom. Like that's the only thing I was afraid of about this trade. So come on now, so here we go. Let's start moving now. There we go. All right, come on, go break the highs. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, Nas. All right, stops is gonna be moved to break even, and can we get the closure? If we get the closure, we should just keep pushing up. You know what?
Order filled.
So we just closed with $1,000 profit. Wait, let's see. Yeah, $1,000 profit. I do think that NAS is gonna continue pushing up a little bit further. But I closed mainly just because like we hit our little 1-to-1. Now price is hitting basically probably like a 1-to-2. And if we do close bullish in the next minute, we probably should still push up more. This would have been nice to catch, but sorry, we're gonna call it a day. Now we up 1,000 for the day, and we still got the whole week ahead of us, right? So like I said, at the end of the day, we weren't trying to flip this in one trade. We're trying to make it into a little series. So yeah, so we got 1,000 for the day, and yeah, that's pretty much it.